Hello, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at this little white noise generator. 6 sounds: rain, brook, ocean, thunder, white noise, and summer night. Does that mean crickets and chipmunks? I don't know. Improve sleep, concentration, and office privacy. Leave on all night or set the timer for 16, 30, or 60 minutes. Portable design is perfect for home or travel. I'm trying to look around the camera to read that, so I apologize. Doesn't look like it's very big. Never opened this up yet. Looks like in the back a little bit of an instruction manual. Bunch of different languages. There's English. At least we can keep that, read that. Okay, so it comes with a little wall wart adapter, little USB cable. Looks like a little mini round barrel plug. Okay, looks like the unit comes in this little foam wrap. What else is in the box? Nothing. Nothing else is in the box. There's the DC input. So we have the rain, brook, thunder, white noise, ocean, summer night, power. Looks like a timer. Oops, volume down, volume up. This must be the speaker. Let me see if I can get an extension cord over here. And let's give it a test. Okay, got it hooked up to the power adapter. Looks like mine is caved in on the side. That's lovely. Friggin' criminy, you know. Didn't even notice that. Let me see if I can get a little knife in there and pop it back into place. That stuff pisses me off, you know. There's nothing wrong with the box, but the item is damaged in the box. Okay, I was able to take a knife and put that back together. A little bit of mark from the knife, wedging it open. Hopefully this thing turns on. Ocean waves, okay, that's kind of cool. Crickets and grasshoppers, is that what it's supposed to be? Thunder. Babbling brook. Put that on for somebody if you want to make them run to the restroom. Let's try the rain. Try white noise. That must be full volume. Okay, we can go right down to shut it off. Okay, it does light up. Put that by an exterior door if you live in an apartment building. Neighbors would think you have running water. Anyways, you know, you got a room, an office, a Photoshop, camera review shack. You want a little privacy in your shack. You want to deter the noise from outside the room. You don't have it soundproof. But this will let somebody know that, hey, you're on the radio, doing something on a computer, I'm on the phone, leave me alone. Thing only weighs maybe 8-9 ounces, if that. Anyways, like anything else, probably made in China. But what is kind of cool there, it will run off 3 Penlight AA batteries. That's a neat feature. That way you can take it traveling with you. A little privacy inside your hotel room. Sounds like the white noise has a little more treble than the rain. Guess that's the ocean waves crashing in. I don't really hear any crickets. Try the thunder. Anyways, like I said, there's multiple uses for this thing. I got it because I live in an apartment building, or the landlord likes to call it a townhouse. That's how they charge more for rent. And I have a couple of busybodies that like to put their ear to my kitchen door. That's my main entrance in and out of my apartment. I got them there. So I have a little white noise generator out there now. I even used a alarm clock set to AM mode and just tuned to it. Picks up a lot of white noise and things like that. But anyways, now we got an official white noise generator to keep the busybodies from listening in, or want your privacy in a business setting, your ham radio shack, something like that, outside the room. You know, that way you're not detracting the family, and the family's trying to do something, and with the variable tones. This could just be the ticket. Anyways, hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Down in the product description box, there's many ways to support us. And also follow the Amazon link to buy this off Amazon, and that'll help support the channel. You only get a few pennies every purchase, but hey, those pennies will add up over time. So anyways, everybody be safe. Best regards, or in ham radio terms, 7-3.